Welcome to my channel. This kitty cat is a pharmacist. She's been working here for 20 years, and every day she dispenses medication to all of the cute animals in her clinic. Now she's an expert in her field, but sometimes she makes mistakes. Like this one time, she gave a dog the wrong medicine and almost made him go blind. But luckily, the dog's owner caught it in time and switched him to a different brand of eye drops. She also has to deal with rude customers all the time, like this parrot who thinks he's a human. He comes in every day asking for pills, but he never gets them because they don't have his prescription. But that doesn't stop him from trying. But despite all the challenges she faces, Kitty Pharmacist wouldn't trade her job for the world. She loves helping animals and she's really good at it. So if you ever need a pharmacist who's a cat, I know just the person to call.